Turn up the heat on grease and grime with the Powerhorse Residential Hot Water Pressure Washer. Now everyone can clean like a pro, using the incredible power of hot water to blast away the toughest messes. Up to 2 times faster than you can with a cold water pressure washer. Heat water up to 150 degrees in just minutes by simply connecting to a standard onboard propane tank. Then, count on the 212cc Powerhorse OHV engine and durable triplex plunger pump to crank out the muscle needed, delivering pressurized hot water at 2.6 gallons per minute so you can quickly spray away oil, grease, and grime. Gunk other pressure washers can't touch. An easy-to-handle design allows you to move the unit into the perfect cleaning position. Then hook up the quick connect nozzles, 30-foot braided hose, and trigger-activated spray gun to get down to business right away. Take advantage of the maximum cleaning power and performance of this easy-to-use Powerhorse Residential Hot Water Pressure Washer, designed to clean like a pro, priced to find its way into your home lineup. Get yours today.